Hi everyone! A kdrama about a ghost doctor who gets possessed by a resident and saves people. This is a South Korean drama called The Ghost Doctor. It is a 2022 fantasy and medical drama television series starring Rain and Kim Sang-bong in the lead roles. In the description and end of the video, there will be a list of original soundtracks. Don't miss it. And of course, this video without spoilers for the ending. If you like this video format, then subscribe and like it. Thank you for attention. Then let's get started. Being a representative of the noble profession of a doctor is a difficult and not always grateful task, but it certainly requires incredible effort, patience, and focus. It takes years, sometimes even decades, for a person to perfectly master the skills of healing and saving people. And sometimes it takes a lifetime. There are moments in life that you don't expect at all. Moments when we turn to God. Moments when God is busy, and even the help of ghosts can be helpful. The events originate in a hospital located in South Korea. Many years ago, a patient was brought to the hospital with an aortic dissection. He needs an urgent operation, but there was no one to operate. When everyone had already given up on the patient, intern Yoon came up and said that it couldn't be done because it was a hospital and they were doctors. Doctors don't refuse to help. 12 years later, Yoon is already a successful cardiac surgeon. The fame of his man goes far ahead of him, but he is known not only for his outstanding abilities, but also for his bad character. Selfish and narcissistic man feels unfinished and allows himself to behave within the walls of the hospital exactly as his heart desires. Yoon is so good that even the head doctor of the hospital himself is jealous of him. When a patient is brought to the hospital, intern O comes to Dr. Cha for help. He says that he only saves those who have a chance to survive, and he advises her to learn how to pronounce the time of death. One day, a new resident named Go Sen-tak comes to the hospital. He is the heir to the hospital foundation. The first meeting between Dr. Cha and resident Go isn't so successful. The men are real opposite. Dr. Cha keeps asking Sen-tak to answer his questions to find out his level. It turns out that Sen-tak is a genius. Even at the university, his questions stumped even the professors, causing the professors to have to learn on their own. But Resident Go has one drawback. He has never practiced, never even picked up a scalpel. You could say he is afraid of blood. Later, Professor Yoon gets into an accident and doesn't immediately realize that he has become a ghost. A motorcyclist is also injured in the accident. The two injured are taken to the university center. As a ghost, Yoon tries to convince everyone to help him, but no one can see or hear him. Dr. Cha needs emergency surgery, but it just so happens that no one can perform the surgery at this time. There are no surgeons except for freshman Sen-tak. It is a shame because Dr. Cha has saved a lot of people during his time as a doctor, but when he needs help, there is no one around. And then Yoon's ghost gets possessed by Sen-tak and performs the surgery on himself. Sang-tak returns when the surgery is over and is told that he saved Yoon, after which he bleeds again. Yoon was thrown out of Sang-tak. Sang-tak froze and couldn't believe he was doing the surgery. Then one of the doctors, Dr. An, comes in to perform the surgery. The surgery was successful, but his blood pressure has been low for too long, and it is unknown if he can recover. Prolonged hypoxia has caused brain damage. It is too early to make prediction, only observation remains. Yoon is surprised to find that he is seen by cleaning lady test. He then sees Oh Joo-myun in his costume. Dr. Cha learns that ghosts have movement restrictions. Chairman Chan saps Yoon, who thinks it's time to leave. He is outraged that Dr. Cha thinks so, since he hasn't saved him yet. Chairman Chan is Dr. Chan's last patient. After his surgery, he has an accident. It turns out that Chairman Chan was also in a coma. Dr. Cha can breathe on his own now, and Go Sang-tak is acting strange, as if he is a different person, and his colleagues are discussing it. Professor Cha keeps going in and out of Sang-tak's body. Once when he was in Sang-tak's body, his friend internal suddenly punched him, and Dr. Cha immediately exited Sang-tak's body. Joo-myun's ghost explained to Professor Cha that you can't stay in a human body for long. The world of the living has its own rules. Meanwhile, Sang-tak has to come to the conference and reveal the truth about the drugs administered to Chairman Cha. Sang-tak admitted at the meeting that he was asked to administer 1,000 units of heparin, but he injected nothing, not even a single one. He didn't even touch Chairman Chan. He saw that he had already been given heparin. He thought it unwise to increase the dose. Now Dr. Cha, being aghast, eavesdrops on other people's conversation, suspecting everyone, to find out who gave Chairman Chan a lot of heparin. Dr. Cha meets with a patient he thinks are hopeless. There were also ghosts in the hospital, and now he himself is a patient who has become hopeless. Professor Cha, who had taken over Sang-tak's body, performed the operation and saved people. Yoon is about to be transferred to another hospital. Sang-tak takes time off work and rushes to the clinic to save Dr. Cha. He admits that he doesn't like Dr. Cha, but he saved him out of a sense of duty, as he is the first person he has operated on. But suddenly Dr. Cha in Sang-tak's body has left the hospital grounds. But if he falls out of Sang-tak's body, he might die. And that really happens. At the same time, Sang-tak sees a woman on the street who needs help. Sang-tak says, "If you're still here, let's save her." Back in Sang-tak's body, Yoon gives first aid to the woman. After that, Dr. Cha suspects that Sang-tak can see and hear him. What will happen next? Can Sang-tak really see ghosts? As promised, the list of original soundtracks. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.